And from carbon, now we go to the next phase. What is this phase? You can see here is nitrogen. What is nitrogen? Let's come now to nitrogen. Okay. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is basically nitro or nitrate, right? And again, you already know this, that 78% of air we breathe is nitrogen. It is the base of so many minerals around us, so many amino acids, fertilizers, explosives, nitroglycerin, trinitrotoluene, gunpowder, gluonine. All these are nitrogen. You know this. And it is there everywhere around us, huh? By the way, in the pharmaceutical industry, in food industry, in metal industry, ozone, protein, amino acid, chlorophyll. So it's a very important part of our ecosystem. And nitrogen gas is there in our food packages, by the way. Is there, you remember the amazing ice cream that you have? It's there everywhere. It's even there, nitrogen gas in the lamps. You can see here in the light, in and around you. So we have very common nitrogen remedies like nitric acid. Who doesn't know nitric acid? Everyone knows nitric acid. The hatred, the revenge feeling of nitric acid. The ammonium muriaticum. Ammonium also has nitrogen. Ammonium carb, ammonium causticum, gluonine, amyl nitrosum, which we did. Lesser known remedies like TNT, trinitrotoluene, nitromuriatic acid. Also many other like argentum nitricum, natrum nitricum, kali nitricum, sanguinaria nitricum. So many nitrogens, isn't it? You already know this. But what I want to talk to you, some interesting carbon remedies. Let me tell you. Ammonium carb, which you know is the main remedy for nose block. If anyone gets a nose block at night, they feel suffocated, no? That is also the main part of nitrogen. So this suffocation is very important in ammon carb for the nose. Why this is also interesting? They get a very peculiar dream, isn't it? You know this. What is a peculiar dream? They get a dream, and I'm showing you this in the repertory here, that someone is sitting on their chest and oppressing their chest like this. Imagine a ghost is sitting on you and choking you. This is ammonium carb. Quite interesting, no? This is the main state of ammonium carb. So suffocation is there as an important part of these nitrogen remedies. Interestingly, when you look at a very interesting rubric, have a look, dwells on past disagreeable occurrences. You will see a lot of nitrogen. Have a look. Ammonium carb, ammonium mure, benzoic acid, gluonine, nitrogen, argentum nitricum. So many. So this is a very important part of, in my understanding of nitrogen remedy, that they are in past disagreeable things. You know, their mind is still there. So what do we see in all these remedies which belong to nitrogen group? Now let me talk to you about it. There is a very nice song. I don't know if you have heard, huh? Very, very nice song. I don't know how much Russian colleagues of ours listen to. There is a famous song of, I think it's a song by Queen. And do you know this band, an English band called as Queen? And they have a song, I Want to Break Free. Do you know this song, Galina? I want to break free. You know this song? Yeah. This is a center song. This song is made for nitrogen people. If you ever want to think who is a nitrogen person, it is that song. Just listen to that song. Maybe Dr. Jaya can put this song from YouTube on the webinar chat, and we'll put it up a little later. But just for you to, so this nitrogen has this state of I want to break free. This is the main thing. So let's understand what you mean by that. So what has happened is the borax who's very dependent on their mother, on their parental influences, on their master. They are very clingy. If the master separates, they get panic. Carbon, they are not very sure that they want to be with their, they don't want to be so dependent. They want to start thinking on their own. In nitrogen, the person whom they are dependent on, they feel clingy. They feel their mother is kind of suffocating them. They feel their father is suffocating them. They feel their husband is suffocating them. They feel their wife is suffocating them. They feel the relationship is suffocating. I want to break free. This is the feeling they feel constantly. Yeah. Because they want to now rebel against these restrictions. I want to break these restrictions. I don't want this. I want to separate. Yeah. I want to totally separate. I don't want this suffocation, this restriction. So typically, this person who is a kind of a nitrogen personality who requires remedies like nitric acid, ammonium carb, ammonium mure, amyl nitrosum, which we saw, has a state you should remember is like a teenager. You know how is a teenager like a 14-year-old. And the sex is very high, the hormones are very high. They want to go and enjoy, go to the DJ, go to the disco, meet many men or meet many women, and they want to go for a picnic, or they want to go to the trip, and they want to go for a holiday, they want to go to they want to, but the parents say no, you can't go. No, no, don't go outside the house after 7 p.m. You can't have a boyfriend, you can't have a girlfriend, you can't go out, you can't eat this, you can't do. And they feel, ugh! I feel suffocated, I feel trapped, I want to get out. Let me do what I want to do. This is the feeling. This is the exact feeling. All of you and me, of course, have felt that at the age of 13, 14, 15, 16. Some of you even later. So this is a very deep state of nitrogen. Are you all with me? Do you remember this phase? This is nitrogen phase. They have very high sexual energy. Little less than fluorine. Fluorine has even more, but nitrogen has very high sexual energy. And because they can't, they feel restricted and suppressed, and they want to express it. And the reaction to this is they will do very strange things. They'll make imagine a person, a girl who's been kind of suffocated by her husband. And suddenly one day she will make another hairstyle. She will change her hair and she will start wearing very sexy clothes. And the husband is like, is this my wife? And she will, this is her way of rebelling. So this is the rebellion of the nitrogen remedies. I want to break free. I don't want to wear these. I don't want to wear anything. I want to break free. This is nitrogen. I want to break free now. I want to cut this relationship now. No, no. This is nitrogen. And they are also very energetic, just like how I am right now. I am doing this so you understand.